Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C40. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode, schedule dark mode, and adjust wallpaper to dark mode, and text and backgrounds automatically to dark mode. Next, you can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable automatic brightness, reading mode, and also schedule it, and change its intensity. Next, you can change color scheme between vivid, saturated and standard, and color temperature. Next, you can change text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.